Everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you in classdata.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is, which of the following does not affect the reject rates at a company production facilities? The percentage use of new equipment versus refurbished footwear making equipment, the number of model styles comprising the company products lines, and the weather productions improvement. Option D has installed annual company expenditure to improve the ease and the accuracy of producing the models comprising its product lines. The size of the insensitive payments per non-defective pair produce spending 40 qm 6 sigma quality control effort. A correct answer of the question is the factor that does not directly affect reject rates. A company production facilities is the number of model styles comprising the company product line and whether production improvement. Option D has been installed. While having a variety of models and the implementing productions improvement can indirectly impact reject rates by improving overall efficiency and quality control processes, it is not a direct determinant of reject rates like the others option listed. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there and our sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering. So you can thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel until next question. Bye bye.